The Carter family was just like many busy families. Every morning felt like a race, leaving little time to think about what was really filling their kitchen. Convenience became their daily routine. Fast food, sugary snacks, and processed meals slowly replaced fresh ingredients, leaving everyone feeling tired and disconnected. One Saturday morning, Sarah paused and asked herself a simple question. Could what's in our kitchen be affecting how we feel every day? Instead of changing everything overnight, they made one simple promise. Every unhealthy item they finished would be replaced with a healthier choice.
The first few weeks weren't easy. Everyone missed their favorite snacks. But slowly, healthy choices became new family habits. Something unexpected began to happen. Family dinners became moments of connection, laughter, and conversation. They had more energy. They spent more time together. The biggest change wasn't just in their meals, it was in the way they lived. Their kitchen had become more than a place to cook. It became the heart of a healthier home. The Carters discovered that lasting health doesn't begin with a strict diet. It begins with the choices we make every time we open our kitchen door. So here's a question. What's one healthy swap you could make in your kitchen today? Tell us in the comments below. If this story inspired you, like this video, subscribe to Grademid Nature's Table, and turn on notifications so you never miss another healthy living story.